Hey everybody, I come to you with Smashmallow snackable marshmallows. I'm not sure what, I guess the fact that they have cookie dough in them makes them extra snackable. I don't know what else marshmallows are if not snacks. I'm not sure what they qualified as. I don't think they're a protein or an entree. But anyway, this is Smashmallow. It's cookie dough snackable marshmallows. Simple ingredients, deliciously non-GMO. Let's see what we got. All right. I guess they smell kind of cookie dough-ish. Not too bad. That's what it looks like there. Feels kind of like a marshmallow. All right, let's see what we got. Maybe a little spongier than your average marshmallow. And there's like a couple of discs of chocolate in there. Not horrible, but not good either. I don't know that I'll taste another one of those. I guess they are deliciously non-GMO though, I suppose. So that's it. The cookie dough Smashmallow. All right, have a good one.